Today's Us Music Magic 89.9, 1621 BC, song called Bagamundo. And I've been telling you guys that they're live with us here. We got JM, JC, Pan, Win, Migs, and DJ. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Yo.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone. What's up, guys?
Wow, that song is incredible. You know what? That woke me up. Dami nangyayari sa song.
Actually,
Thank you guys for showing up on a holiday here. Actually,
so much.
sabi ni Aaron here, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy Chinese New Year. How are you doing?
Kung si Pachay. Thank you so much for joining us here. If you're watching on Facebook Live, TikTok Live, as well as playback, again, we got 1621 BC here, a P-pop group, and they actually survived ABS-CBN's survival reality show called Dream Maker. I was telling you guys off air that I just finished the Cat's Eye documentary,
Yeah.
and it's also a survival show. And watching that really made me feel for them because it's like it's so hard to be, in a competitive sphere with your friends, and then there's challenges every week, and it kind of breaks you down because parang how was that like being in a survival show like every week? Was it nerve-wracking or was it exciting?
Maybe one of the hardest parts was we were training, but we were also on a diet, very hard diet. And one of that was also we had no sleep during the training time, so it was very hard for us to keep up with the energy that we were training. And we also have two coaches at that time, Korean and Filipino coaches. So the whole day we trained, like, di ba sobrang nakakapagod? Also vocal training also. So
Vocal and dancing, no?
yeah.
Yes, pero more than anything, I think nung naka-mindset talaga sa amin sa show was talaga, yung surviving talaga doon nung time na yun. Kasi
Mentally.
ang daming nangyayari and at the same time, yung level ng competition din that time mataas. So,
Yes.
hindi ka pwedeng
Yeah.
magpa-chill-chill lang. Kailangan mo talaga ipakita, bawat opportunity na binibigay at that time, kailangan mo siyang i-grab kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung pwede mangyari that
Yeah.
time. So, doon talaga siya naka-mindset.
Tapos mahirap pa po dun, the more na tumatagal yung competition, nagkakaroon kayo ng relationship ng mga competitors mo. Tapos kapag ka nakapagka-develop kayo ng relationship together, parang ang hirap pong isipin na kalaban sila or kalaban yung isa't isa. Tapos kailangan nagtatalo sa utak mo yung kailangan magaling ka pero dapat share pa rin kayo or
The bond is still there. dapat,
kailangan
yeah.
dami-dami pa rin.
That's really tough.
Yeah.
It's very hard talaga.
Parang naglalaban yung thoughts sa ulo mo. Dami.
But I'm with my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, congratulations, guys. You made
Thank you
it.
so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you so much.
I can't even imagine like the emotional and physical strain or challenges that you went through. I don't think I could survive a show like that. Iyak talaga ako.
Totoo.
Ayun na panalo. Well, so congratulations. And now that you guys are a fully fledged P-pop group, congratulations for
Thank you so much. Thank you.
still surviving this incredible industry that we have here. I love the song Bagamundo, by the way.
Thank you so much.
Salamat po.
By the way, for those that don't already know, what does 1621 BC stand for?
It's an angel number
Angel
po,
number.
which symbolizes success, new beginnings, and fulfillment. And then yung BC naman po, we have different meanings, pero yung pinaka main meaning ng BC is beyond complete, which means we're aiming
For
close to
perfection.
perfection.
Yeah, that's
I
true.
love that. No, I can feel it because even off air, they were warming up, guys. I don't see that very often.
Mam.
Yeah, and it was like perfect unison. I think surviving that show also together made you have that bond. Na parang we can do anything,
Yes.
and then we get each other already. So that's incredible. Let's talk about Bagamundo this time around. I know this is like a new era for you
Yes.
guys. It's a pretty intriguing title. What does it mean?
Bagamundo. In English po, vagabond. Parang it's a wanderer po.
Yeah.
Ayun po yung exact meaning.
Yeah. Bagamundo.
Pero yung Bagamundo, yung meaning talaga ng song po is parang at certain point in our life or in a person life, parang you are parang hinahayaan mo yung sarili mo na ma-lost
Mhm.
sa uncertainties para ma-achieve yung dreams mo. So, parang nagiging wanderer ka kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong marating sa buhay hanggang sa dumating ka dun sa sa kung ano talaga yung naka-destiny na maging ikaw.
No, I think it's
And you will seize every opportunity and you, na binibigay sa'yo. Kasi may lyrics dun na sa balwarting ito ako masusunod, sumabay ka sa galawang ko susunod. Lyrics mo.
Nakasample lang.
I
Para sa
like
example.
my example.
On tune.
On tune, always. Like,
Yes,
blah, blah,
sir.
blah, blah, blah.
Bukan.
You know, I think for a lot of people, when they're going through life, especially when they're young, they think that having a specific goal and achieving that goal is it. But sometimes it's the journey.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
And like exploring where you want to be and meeting the right people and taking every chance. And I love this song for you guys. In this new era, how would you say the song represents your evolution?
Ayun nga po, parang this new era, the Bagamundo, actually we came from different type of rejections po. Kaya po siya connected sa amin personally, parang personally dikit po kami sa song kasi nga po, hindi po namin to first choice, hindi po namin to unang ginusto. Like, lahat po kami nag-experiment po muna kung ano po yung tatahakin namin. Like, mix. Nag-commercial po siya, mga ganon, something like that. Tapos, si DJ naman po nag-audition din sa mga iba't ibang show, talent show naman po. Si JM naman po, nag-bida man po yan. Acting po, ganun.
I love
So parang
it.
hindi po talaga namin siya first choice na po. Dumaan po kami sa iba't ibang type of ano matawag dito?
Rejections.
Rejections.
And opportunities.
Ibang opportunities na tinry po namin i-achieve. Ba't naluluha ako? Hindi ako naiiyak. Ang aga naman. Parang natulog.
Baka dusty.
Dusty. Ayun po, kaya parang siguro ngayon ipapakita na po namin yung this era nga po, ayun na po. Parang ipapakita na po namin na final na po to, ito na po talaga.
This is it.
This is us.
This is what we
Actually, ngayon ko nga lang realize yun na parang hindi rin po kasi namin talaga in-expect na magiging P-pop group kami. Like,
Ako yung nagpa-realize
individually.
No, no.
Mga
Just
so,
now.
kasi
In
parang
magic.
at that audition, po parang, uy, to, singing, ay, pwede kang kumanta, pwede kang sumayaw.
Oo.
Tapos, parang nung nag-audition kami, napunta na ako dito. Parang, yun na yung opportunity na meron ka that time. And hindi mo na siya pwedeng palagpasin kasi hindi mo na alam kung kailan dadating. So, at that time, sige, okay na yun, kukunin mo na yun. Hanggang sa'yo po, nandito na kami. And every day naman, parang lagi naman kami lagi kami nagmi-meeting every month. Na parang nagkakaroon kami ng heart-to-heart talk na we are aiming for improvement every time talaga.
Yeah.
Like, pati yung coaches namin dun din naka-mindset, yung dance coach namin. Shout out to coach, baka nung nakikinig si
Hi,
coach.
Coach.
Hi, Coach.
Yung mga coaches namin. Bali, yun po, yung new era na talaga na to is all about improvement as a group. Yung, kumbaga parang naka-mindset kami na same page na kami lahat. So, parang yun po yung gusto namin mangyari. And yun po, parang nakikita naman po siya sa result ng mga pinaghihirapan din po natin.
How is it like collaborating collectively? Is there someone that's like a perfectionist na parang hindi pa ready to? Sino yung nagli-lead usually?
Sa creatives po namin si Pan.
Si Pan po yung si Pan.
Siya po talaga yung kapag parang rehearse pa nga natin, parang hindi pa to yun, parang may iaan pa, may mas kakaya pa.
Siya
And
yung
very strict din po siya when it
tough
comes
love
po sa
siya.
vocal.
Po.
Sa vocals po namin. Kaya makakarinig po agad siya kung sino yung sintonado, kung sino yung wala sa tone, mga ganun po.
Malalaman mo agad, gagawin na agad.
Actually, kagabi galing kami ng recording.
Hindi kailangan magsalita. Kailangan...
Alam mo na lang, hindi niya
Siya ang isa sa mga facilitate ng recording namin every time.
Pero when it comes to ideas po namin, like, hindi pa naman po kami dumadating sa point na nagtatalo-talo kami para sa isang bagay, mga ganun po. Napagkakasunduan naman po namin.
I think it helps that you all have a specific goal
Yes.
for self-improvement and you have each other to lean on.
Yes,
It's a
po.
tough industry out there.
Yes,
So it's fun to be with your friends, diba?
Yes, po.
You need to be really great in order to get there talaga.
Exactly.
Yeah, kasi ang dami na magaling ngayon, ang dami na unique. So, pasipagan na lang din talaga.
Yeah, you have to make the sacrifice.
Yes.
Yeah, ganun talaga.
Ang dami kailangan i-consider.
Correct.
It's sacrifice, time, everything.
It's your whole life.
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
everything.
ganun talaga actually.
Now, for your music genre, it's pop, R&B, and
Yes, yes.
traditional Filipino music.
Yes.
How did you guys come about this sound? Was it like collaborative, or did somebody pitch the song? How was it like?
Siguro the advantage is, sa group namin may nakikinig ng K-pop. At the same time, may mga Western din. Like JC, Wen, DJ, they're really into K-pop talaga.
Yeah.
But me, I'm the different one. More in R&B talaga ako.
Oh.
Like music and everything. So, parang yun yung advantage namin. Parang open kami sa music. So, pag nagko-collab kami, parang different sounds or different styles, open kami sa, versatile kami when it comes to music. So, yeah, I think that's one of the advantages.
And also yung management din namin, shout out to ABS-CBN Music People Entertainment. Ano po, parang hinahayaan din kami mag-explore. Binibigyan din kami ng other options for songs. And also binibigyan din nila namin ng freedom na kung gusto niyo magpasa ng songs like Pan, para at least masama din sa listening, and then mapapagpilian ng maayos, matatake lang maayos each song kung ano yung babagay sa amin. And as of the moment yun nga, parang nagkaroon kami ng mga songs na talagang na-explore namin yung every genres of music and
Yes, yes,
every
yes.
yung kulay ng ng mga songs na pwede namin.
Your genres, personal genres, are really showing off in the songs. So like it blends so well together. And also the good part is that you never know what to expect.
Yes.
Because everybody
true.
has their own vibe.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
I like that. You know, you guys just featured on Spotify's Best of P-Pop on the Rise playlist and being a finalist on Out Awards.
Wow.
What has been one of the most memorable moments so far as a group?
Yes, DJ.
Please answer,
Ano
DJ.
yung pinaka-
Cheers!
Always. Wait,
Wake up.
ano naisip?
P-pop awards, bro.
Hip-Hop Awards.
P-pop awards.
P-pop awards.
Memorable.
Super worth it po yung hirap namin
That's
kasi
true.
grabe po talaga yung trainings namin, and kaya mukha na kami mga pagod.
Ay,
Hindi naman halata. Hindi naman halata.
Parang konti
Fresh
na lang,
pa rin.
babagsak na.
Fresh pa rin.
Actually, kagabi po, galing kami, tapos
Recording.
kami yung 12 a.m.
Recording from...
Yes po.
My
Yes.
gosh.
Na dapat abangan din ng mga listeners natin.
Yon.
Yes. Marami pa po.
I
Please.
love that.
It's our first original po.
Yes.
Ooh. When will that one come out?
I think in April po, or March.
This-
Yes.
March.
Okay. Perfect siya for the summer. Can
Ah,
we-
yeah.
Pwede.
We can dance
Yes,
with it.
yes,
in the
yes,
summer.
yes.
We can sing
Actually,
with
pwede
it.
naman po
Yes.
siya sa cartoon.
Yes.
Ooh. Morning and evening.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Now, for those that are listening again, we have 1621 BC here live with us.
Hey.
What up,
And
guys?
guys, you gotta hear them sing live because when they were warming up, I was like, oh my gosh, Angels walked in, Match 89.9. Everybody's in sync. This time around, can we hear another song from you guys?
Yes,
Of course, we got you guys.
Ikaw.
Let's
Someone
go.
ikaw. Akala ko ako. Ikaw pala.
Ikaw.
You're tuned in to today's Best Music Magic 89.9. This is Ikaw at Ikaw by 1621 BC.
Sabihin mo sa akin, baby, honest, ano pa bang magagawa? Di na ba minamahal? Di pa ba sapat all that I gave you? Ano pa bang di nagawa? Ba't bigla na lang? Oh, I could only give you love, 'cause babe, I have nothing. Babe, I have nothing but walang hanggang pag-ibig. Pangako di ba natin kailan may hindi bibitaw? That's a promise. Tingin mo ang awit sa puso na gagaling. Laging pipiliing ikaw at ikaw. Palagi ikaw at ikaw. Palagi ikaw at ikaw. Laging pipiliin ikaw at ikaw.
Can we talk take a minute, don't be so hasty. Kung ano man ang nagawa, kung nasaktan man kita.
Ooh, let me make it up to you, baby, I'm sorry. Kulang na kulang pa ba? May kailangan ka pa ba?
Oh, I could only give you love, 'cause babe, I have nothing. Babe, I have nothing but
Wala hanggang pag-ibig, pangako di ba natin? Kailan may hindi bibitaw, that's a promise. Dinggin mo ang awit, sa puso nang gagaling. Laging pipiliin ikaw at ikaw palagi. Ikaw at ikaw palagi. Ikaw at ikaw. Laging pipiliin ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw lang. Baby, can we still try it?
Baby.
Love can be sweeter another time around. Hanggang pag-ibig, pangako di ba natin? Kailan may hindi bibitaw, that's a promise. Dinggin mo ang awit, sa puso nang gagaling. Laging pipiliin ikaw at ikaw palagi. Ikaw at ikaw palagi. Ikaw at ikaw. Laging pipiliin ikaw at ikaw palagi. Ikaw at ikaw palagi. Ikaw at ikaw. Laging pipiliin ikaw at ikaw lagi. Mm-hmm.
1621 BC, everybody! Woohoo! Wow, ang galing naman, guys! I love it. Did you see me dancing?
he was vibing the whole time.
I was vibing the whole time. I wish it was double the time. Not just 2 minutes, how about 3-4 minutes? Next song, next song. Oh my gosh, you guys are so talented. Great energy, great vibes. I wish you guys
Thank you
so
so
well.
much.
Thank you
Please
so much.
come
Thank you
back
so
in
Yes,
April.
for sure.
When the song is ready, whenever you guys want to hang out, just hang out in Magic.
Yes,
alright? Actually, if there's anything else happening this year, or what we're manifesting, any collaborations or an album or whatever, what should we look forward to in 2025?
Maybe more good music, I think, and more collaborations with other great artists also.
And also, kakatas lang ng Bagamundo namin na era. And siguro mga after 1 month ulit, we will be releasing, or 1 month and a half, we will be releasing another song ulit. And then after that, we will be releasing yung EP na po namin. So, medyo sunod-sunod din po talaga
Yeah,
yung mga
just more music.
songs. And also, yung music video ng Bagamundo will be out on February 8, 2025. So,
yeah.
sa mga guardians
Just
and
mark
mga
your calendars,
naku-curious po,
guys.
Sunod kayo guys,
Yes,
please
please
watch the video.
and,
Magiging
wait
available
po.
po yan on official YouTube channel po ng
ABS-CBN. And also, we will be having yung mall shows din po and ABS-CBN, Star Music and Star Pop Campus Tour po sa mga universities and schools.
We'll be there, guys.
Yes.
Hey, how can we follow you guys online, individually and also the group?
Alright, for DJ?
You can follow us on our all social media accounts, 1621BC_, then mga names lang po namin, DJ, Win, JC, Migs, Pan, and JM.
Yes, sir.
And you can stream our song po on Spotify, Apple Music, and other
Music platforms.
platforms.
Yeah, yes.
Love it.
Also,
Thank you.
pwede po mag-thank you lang. Gusto lang po namin
Yes.
mag-thank you sa mga bosses namin, ABS-CBN, Music,
So our staff.
yes po, kina Sir Roxy, kina Sir Jonathan, kasama namin sila kagabi na Sabi, sila Ate Ali na nandito po, hello.
Yes po.
Aw.
Salamat po sa mga supportive naming bosses po.
And also,
Salamat.
to Tito Perry, good morning, alam ko
Or
na
our
kamay. Nakabantay ka sa amin.
And also our guardians po.
Yes.
Guardians. Guardians po is yung fandom po namin.
Oh,
Kasi Angels po. ang
Angels
sila
Angels,
silang
Guardians, I love it.
And also the
of
cool DJ
Manila.
that we have.
Aw,
Not so
thanks,
original.
guys.
The energy is giving, the action is giving.
Thank you. Thank you. So even if it's holiday, it doesn't feel like a holiday. Again, thank you for making our days. The listeners here are
Thank
also
you so
saying,
much.
I hope we meet them soon. Sabi ni Jill, I hope we meet them soon. Good morning to our special guests. Good morning to Christian and Aaron. Thanks guys for listening. More power to you guys. I will see you later on this year for sure.
Yes.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
Magic.
With another song.
Another song, another EP.
Yes.
Exciting stuff coming through. I was telling you guys and asking you guys off air, what do you listen to off air? Something like chill stuff. Which I found hard to believe because I was like, I thought you were lit. I thought you were lit. But let's do chill lit.
Yeah,
Let's do chill
chill.
lit. This time around, let's change up the pace. This is Wave to Earth, song called Bad,
Yay.
89.9. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Hello po.
Let's take pictures.
Sure po. Hello guys, nakalive po kami sa TikTok na. Hello guys, good morning everyone.
Hi viewers, good morning.
Hello po. Ay, si Vince, hello po.
Sabi niya, boses, akala ko to my voice. Thinking it's a voice mo for making me here, like, making me reach here. I love it.
Hello po.
It's giving. So guys, you didn't know you were in a survival show. They don't
Yeah.
tell you.
Si Mix po, actually si Mix po, nung una akala niya ano,
Molsho. Artista.
Kasi
Uh-uh.
nung in-announce na po yung ano, yung sabi niya,
Yun, napasok
patay.
Alam mo, ano na kayo?
Alam niyo ba yung feeling na parang ano, yung parang, sige na nga.
It's more of like, I guess.
almost
na
a
nga
week. He was injured, yeah.
Magka-roommate po
Oh
kasi
my
kami
God.
dati.
Kahit pilay na kailangan mag-train.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga, no?
Pag Korean po kasi,
He
ganun po
can't
sila.
Ah, yung Korean yung
Yeah, no
I'm
excuses.
sure yeah.
Umaga namin Koreans po.
That's
then
why yung mga
hapon.
K-pop sobrang...
So, mabait pag Pinoy.
Ay!
Ay, hindi po. Mas,
Ay,
mas ano po yung, mas malalap sila mag-conditioning.
Grabe!
do they make you work out?
Ay, sobra po.
Talaga? As in?
Yung burpees po.
Yung 100 burpees, parang magsusundalo na lang po kami.
Hindi po artista, parang ROTC ata.
Parang ROTC.
Big respect for like P-pop community na grabe kayo.
Actually, sobrang hirap.
Mahirap. And then parang when I was watching the docu, the girls were crying.
Yeah,
Yes.
talaga.
Does it make you
Totoo
also
po yun.
Yes, yeah.
Ako, umiyak po ako.
Umiyak
Umiyak
din
si
po ako
Pan
dun
dun eh.
last time.
sa TV?
Opo.
Actually,
Actually, kami lahat.
sinurprise kasi siya ng mom niya. Parang
Paano
kaya
iyak
naman
po?
lahat.
Do they not allow you to see your family?
Yes,
Yeah,
Naka-lock in
bawal.
po kami for
Parang
3 months.
bro.
3 months.
Parang PBB po yun.
Oh, that's crazy!
Parang PBB
Tapos
lang.
nagko-collect po sila ng phones.
Kasi po Korean
Bawal
survival
secret
show.
No jungles, no sweets.
Brown rice.
Brown rice.
Brown rice, okay.
We always eat chicken breast lang.
Also,
Pero yung chicken
blue
breast
rice.
parang ano lang, styrofoam, walang lasa.
Like parang grilled chicken
Yeah, grilled
or like
chicken.
steamed mga ganon.
Not
Rice.
Blue rice.
Actually, yung blue rice, ewan ko doon.
Tas may ano, lumpia na may pansit.
Pero masarap, yeah.
Lumpia, tas
Kasi
yung laman niya
hindi
pansit.
siya-
Hindi po siya nalagyan ng pork eh. Wala pong
Bawal po
palaman
kasi
na pork.
Bawal pork?
May times lang po
May
na ano,
times lang na nagiging.
Cheat day.
Cheat day.
Pork na walang lasa. Yun.
No, I get that too. I mean, it's really part of the
Yeah.
hustle, I guess. But the sacrifice is crazy. So, do you ever sneak out and eat Jollibee?
Ayo po! Lagi to! Lagi to!
Ikaw din!
Lagi
Panginasal!
Tapos isang beses
Oh,
po,
tama pa. Isang
nahuli
beses.
siya-
Takas po.
nahuli po siya ng safety officer ng ABS. Nakita siya sa Pops Ice.
Pops
Pops
Ice.
Pops ice.
Tapos,
Pops
Hindi,
ice.
kahit bumili lang din ako ng Skyflakes na host.
Parang grabe yung ano nito.
No phones? How do you do no phones?
Whole day
may
po.
telephone.
Pero mga mas
Pero social media okay lang.
bawal din po.
Bawal.
Korean Korean.
Pero dahil magaling nga po ang mga Pinoy, may mga spare phones po.
May laptop po siya.
May laptop ako.
I would. I
Tas
would
may
also.
mga nahuli po.
Sige, mag-ads lang ako. And then picture tayo.
Today's listening to Magic 89.9, Wave to Earth, a song called Bad from 2023.
Yeah.
It is now 11:33 on the clock. This time check being brought to you by the Hyundai Stargazer X. Exceed expectations. You're tuned into Honor with Man on Magic 89.9. Just less than 30 minutes here on the show. It is a Happy Chinese New Year edition. So every holiday we have here on the Magic, I get to play older tracks. So let me know. Again, less than 30 minutes left here on the show. Here's the Juans and their latest track called Pasencioso. You know what? This is the reminder to stay patient because it's all worth it. And they sing it here so well. Again, send it over on playback.tv/magic899. For any and all requests, you can also send it over on Instagram or X at Hanabakani at Magic899. You're tuned in to today's best music. This is Magic, baby. Alright. Diba? It's like, parang hindi pwedeng walang phone. Like, you need a laptop. I'm sure you can...
Actually, nagkahulihan po nung one time nun eh.
Oh, nagkaulian kami. Pinaakyat po kami lahat. Pinaakyat kami lahat, tas walang idea. So yung mga iba, naiwan yung mga phone ng iba doon din.
Because they were like looking through.
Sa room namin, isa-isa. Ilalim ng kama, pati sa CR, chinek lahat. Sa bags namin.
Pati yung snacks, bawal yung snacks.
Yung stocks kinuha.
Snacks! Ang dami naming
Yung otak
snacks
ko
doon.
na galing Cebu, kinuha kasi matamis na.
Naririnig nila yung mga
Did anybody like leave on their own?
May mga...
Yes,
Parang
may
ayaw,
nag-quit po
I
talaga.
don't like this.
May mga nag-tip.
Grabe yung train, dami nagsuka.
And then, do they weigh you every month?
Apo, every day.
Every day.
No way!
Every morning.
Like 4
Every
AM
morning
po,
po.
4 a.m. in the morning.
You wake up at 4?
Yes po, may nagigising.
Para lang timbangin.
Para timpang
And then work out.
Tapos,
Or you
prepare
can-
po. Tapos,
Galing kami event.
ano na po, training na po.
2 hours lang tulog namin.
Minsan
2 hours lang tulog
may
namin.
times po
Gigising pa kami
na
parang timbang.
kakashoot lang namin. Galing na namin training, tapos uwi kami mga...
Yung mission to na namin,
Aalis po
bro.
kami ng 4
Tapos wala pang tubig, walang food.
Yung mission to namin, bro.
No, this morning.
Pagtulog namin,
Did you have to wake up at 4?
agad.
Ay, hindi naman.
So this is like chill
Ganun
work.
nga. Ganun din kami ginilit na. Ay, sabi namin kay
Will they
ate.
say if you eat like Jollibee or something?
Kanina ko ba?
Pero sasabihin niyo, hindi.
Hindi, ako.
Tapos kami pa nag-akyat ng mga laundry yung lahat. Kasha ba?
Kasya yan. Pero meron din sa labas.
Gusto sa labas na? Kasha pa? Maganda po dito. Sobra na yun, oh. Wala na akong baba.
Favorite mo yung paksay?
Thank you so much.
It was our pleasure.
Ano na iba? What I would do is like 11. So sakto. They need to go late.
Sure pala.
Maganda yung Ay, but ako yung parang mid-morning.
Doon tayo na.
I actually started as a junior jock. So I was 17. Yeah. I'm turning 30 this year. Exactly.
Di mo na kung totoo yung ngitin niyo or nainip pa siya.
Parang may something.
Or 12 years. Okay. Ano yung signature,
Like my hands.
ano yung may hands at blood?
Yung vagamundo na lang. Ganun na lang.
Paano? Ito.
Burger.
Burger ang tingin.
Dito muna, tapos here.
Naka-open talaga yung mouth ko.
Here naman.
Metro Manila, Philippines, home of today's best music. Every town and all around town. Everywhere.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Hannah. You're the best.
Don't touch.
See you po. Thank you so much po. Sa susunod po ulit. Sa maraming susunod pa po.
Guys, if you wanna fake like the weight, because I do jujitsu and I
Whoa.
compete like
Kaya po pala
That's why ang broad ng ano mo.
exactly. But if you wanna fake it, you can get a sauna suit. You'll lose 2 kilos in a
That's
day.
true. Water weight,
Legit
di ba?
yun.
Yun.
Legit yun.
Legit
If
nga yun.
like you ate a lot, mag-sauna suit ka and then walk, you'll
Walk.
lose it.
Di ba ang dami pag, di ba? Ang dami.
Yeah.
May
And
ganyan
you'll
din
get
ako eh.
surprised, diba? Na parang dami palang, it was mostly water.
Water.
diba?
Water weight nga.
Yeah. Yun.
Thank you
Life
po.
hacks.
Thank you so much for that advice.
Picture tayo sa labas.
Sige
Picture
po.
of magic. Ganda
Do you also lift weights?
Yeah.
Uy, wala po. Ang broad ng shoulders niya.
I was awake at 4:45 today, and then I was training at 5:30.
Oh,
That's why I was
grabe.
like, I get the grind.
Wow, sipag, grabe.
Parang as a survival show din.
Ako survival show sa sarili ko.
Ayun, pati yung triceps mo, ang laki.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Diba?
I don't wanna mess with you, man.
Yeah.
Picture lang po.
I get the grind.
Diyan pala kayo, iniwan kayo guys. Wait lang ah. Picture lang ako ah.
Go lang, go lang.
Sabi ko sa kanila, do you like ever sneak in and eat the food that you're not supposed to? Oo! Ang hirap kaya to like, not. Diba? Sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Ngayon po, di naman strict na.
Hindi na masyado. Pero pag sa show,
Ayun, pag may show po, diet talaga.
but did they show on TV na parang, you're not supposed to eat this or that? Or
Opo, opo.
They showed it on TV.
Sa mga interviews po.
Buti walang CCTV na parang TVB.
Wala naman
Hindi
po.
naman siya Big Brother.
Pero sa bahay namin ngayon meron.
Anyways, thanks guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much! Benta na picture tayo.
Sige po. Hi, King.
You can take a selfie. This is a nice shot.
Ay, ayun.
Yeah.
Yan live yan. Ito yung streaming.
Alive po yan?
Yes.
Si DJ.
Wala, iniwan niyo sila oh.
Ay, sorry.
Ay! Magic ba?
Wait lang. Let's shoot.
My bad, sir.
Sino yun?
89.9 man. Sure, guys.
Hi guys. Aray ko! Tignan mo, binabuli ako guys.
Dami naman ng show.
41 millions. Next time, 41 million. Sino si Dan Hing? Mix. Ano yun? What's that, guys? What's that, guys? Migwin daw.
5 days a week?
Is it like your passion?
Like this?
Hi everyone.
More like shout out to all the viewers.
Are you able to use it as a daily?
I mean, hopefully, no. Not yet.
Ma'am, sorry.
Huwag ka nag-blow up para magic.
Hello.
Sige.
Picture lang
2
ako.
steps backwards.
I should be like, sige, let's try.
Yeah. You can surround the action.
Yeah.
Surround.
Surround. Saan muna?
I'll do it first and then you'll go back. One more. Can you do walking?
Yeah, sige.
So,
Yeah.
alright, thank you.
Thank you.
One more, sir, one more.
Start up.
Thank you so much, DJ.
Thank you po.
More power to you guys. Matulog kayo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you again.
Meron pa po kami come to our very first concert.
Where?
Soon, Manila.
Exciting.
Yeah, we always try to invite people.
I love that. No, that's good.
Good manifestation.
When Denise video was starting out, she was like, yeah, I'm gonna have my own concert. And then what, like a year later, 2 years later, she finally did.
Exactly.
Love that.
We have to be very consistent with our mindset.
Correct.
Well, actually, they're going to open 3 for Universe.
Kuya, naka-live ako. Pwede
No,
na?
that's great because it's the same fans that would love them.
Hopefully you can get there.
Of course, diba?
So you get to appreciate it.
Yeah.
Narinig nyo ba yun? Hindi nyo narinig. Hindi nila narinig. Na magpe-perform tayo sa... Magpe-perform kami sa... Basta yung may grand. Yung may grand sa unahan, yung title. Oh my gosh. No? Oh my gosh. 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 His Grand Central. Nakakatawa ka, Adi Lasala, no? Keep it up.
Hindi ko pa mga iPhone driver.
Actually, he raced against Max Verstappen.
Grabe!
In karting.
Grabe!
Some kids na sila.
Was it one celebrity who transitioned?
Bibili na ba ako ticket? Dapat na kayo bumili ng ticket. Tapos yung bilhin nyo yung may sound.
Si Andrew. That's his email.
Joke! It's a prank!
Super cool.
Looking for tickets.
No. Provides not us.
Magpa-perform ako sa concert ng Enhypen. Wala. Alam mo may concert pa Enhypen. Wala rin. OA ka talaga. Kahit kailan ka talaga. Paje. OA ka talaga, sister. What? Ha?
Tapos yung diet ng bakit sanay ka sa diet? Because
Dinala mo.
sa discipline.
Desa Chimi, Desa Lago mo sa Tigno Ventosa. Desa Chimi, Desa Lago mo sa Tigno Ventosa. Paje, Senta. Paje. Uy, tama na nga kayo. Babay na nga kayo.
And then they make you post every day. Dapat every day.
Ayoko na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
It's the tea talaga. I'm sure. I hope you guys get the best.
Fichi!
Come back when you guys have a result.
With a belt. Leopard belt. Ititiktok ko pala yung mamaya. Abangan nyo na lang. Bye. Bye. Mag-CR ako.
Kasi sabi ni Tito. Bye guys! Mamaya ulit. Bye-bye.